How do successful OEM suppliers excel in after-sales support to keep the customers happy? Focusing on product quality or on-time delivery is convenient for OEM suppliers, yet many overlook the critical impact of after-sales support. A late fix or an unresponsive team can halt an entire production line, costing your customer time and money. Worse still, a "that's not our problem" attitude can shatter trust and push loyal partners to look elsewhere. Fortunately, shifting your company's mindset and processes toward a more service-focused culture doesn't have to be complicated. The C.A.R.I.N.G framework, clarify, attune, respond, innovate, nurture, grow, offers OEM suppliers a clear path to delivering stellar after-sales support. Let's break down how each step can help you bridge the gap between delivery and genuine customer care. Wait, are you sure you are exploring the right framework? Instead of guessing, answer a few quick questions at how Frame works to find the one that fits your problem. Once you have the right framework, download our implementation guides and execute it step by step. You can also download pre-designed Excel dashboards to track your progress, all in one place. Join howframeworks.com today and take control of your growth one smart decision at a time.